Welcome to Ken and Carol's Somerset allotment. Today is another one in the episode of what to do in January. I think the next one will be February because I think this is the last day of January. Anyway, today's topic is chitting potatoes. So what is chitting potatoes? Well, it's basically sorting them out, make sure you haven't got any rotten ones, putting them into trays, or putting them into egg boxes or anything you got. In my case, I got a cardboard box that I've cut up. So what do you do to chip potatoes? Well, to be honest, there's nothing to it. The idea is to get the shoots, those there, put them at the top and stand them up like that. Sometimes you'll get it wrong and they'll be at the bottom because sometimes it's hard to tell. But these are already shooting a little bit, so it's making it a little bit easier. But if you make a mistake, it doesn't matter. What you do is go around every now and again, just have a look at the bottom, and if it's the wrong way up, turn it around the other way. So what's the advantage of chitting potatoes? Well, the idea is to get some nice strong shoots, little short dumpy green shoots, not long white ones like you see in the kitchen cupboard when they got no light and they're in a hot place. So they need to be kept in a cool, light place but frost free, and then the shoots will develop and there'll be nice strong shoots, which should, in theory, give you a bit of a head start over not doing it. Plus the fact that if the shoots get all leggy and white, they're going to break off, which is another thing you don't want, because you break them off and you've lost all that potential growth from the beginning. So this year we're growing two varieties. One we grow nearly every year, which is Charlotte. I just don't know if you can see that. And the other one is Anya, which I think is a cross between a pink fir and Desiree. I've already got them done and they're put upstairs. Anyway, as you can see, I've just put them in a box and a bit of empty space I've packed out with a toilet roll. So that's about it really. It's simple, isn't it? So get your potatoes and start chitting. So it's goodbye from me. I'll see you in the next one, which might be about chilies. Bye bye.